If you have just got a new iPad, whether it is iPad, iPad Air, iPad mini or iPad Pro and unboxed it, then one of the first things you should do after getting a new iPad is check warranty coverage on your iPad. So how do you check Apple Care and warranty coverage on your iPad and activate warranty on your iPad? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReview, and without any further delay, let's learn how you can activate warranty on your iPad. If you just open your iPad and go to settings, then tap on general, and you are now in general settings of your iPad. Here you will see Apple Care and warranty. But if you tap on that, you won't see any information regarding the Apple Care and warranty coverage of your iPad. And that's because you haven't yet activated the Apple Care and warranty on your iPad. In order to activate it, you'll have to just go to Apple account that says here and tap on that and sign in with your Apple ID. And here you get various options. Among these, there is the option for creating an Apple account. So if you don't have an Apple account and you are just a new user of Apple devices and you are using the iPad for the first time, then you can create an Apple ID as well. For that, tap on this don't have an Apple account and then follow up the on-screen process to create a free Apple account on iPad. And I'm not going to go into details because I have already created a video on how to create a free Apple ID. You can simply tap here to watch that video and learn how you can create Apple ID. Alright, if you already have got an Apple ID or iCloud account, you can go back and choose one of these options. You can either tap on sign in manually and then enter login credentials and tap continue, or you can simply use another Apple device and select this option. So in my case, I have already got another Apple account which I can use to sign into this iPad. So all you have to do is you have to just bring any Apple device next to this iPad. If I bring this iPhone here and just unlock it, you will notice I got this pop-up sign into iPad, and further I can simply tap get started and that will ask for confirmation for signing. And once that is done, you can position this pattern into this circle on iPhone. All you have to do is you have to just bring your iPhone and position this pattern into this circle like this. And once that is done, you'll get the option to set up Apple ID on this iPad. Here you can see I'm getting the option for setup for me. I'll select this one, and after that, it'll just take a few moments to sign into Apple ID on this iPad. So just wait for that and then you are good to go. Now you can see it is signing into my Apple account on this iPad. Next, just enter the passcode for iPad. And you can see that we have just logged in to Apple account on this iPad using our iPhone. And now here the pop-up says enjoy your iPad. You can simply tap done and keep the iPhone aside, and after that everything will be fine here. Because if you now go to general, here tap on Apple Care and warranty, you will see the Apple Care and warranty details here. You can see it is showing this device here, and if you tap on that, you will see the warranty is activated now. So this is how you check Apple Care and warranty coverage details on iPad and activate warranty as well. I hope you found this video helpful and you will be able to activate warranty on iPad. And by the way, if you want to learn how to set up and activate your new iPad, then tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.